the second semester with the flipped class in the first week. Inshallah, we start together to with the same unit, le temps libre, the free time, with lesson 4. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end? Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end? You can see it here. Qu'est-ce is meaning what? We take it before. Qu'est-ce is meaning what? Vous allez faire. Here verb to go. I told you last week before the vacation, we talked about how we can use verb to go. After that, verb in infinitive form is meaning will. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire? What you will do ce weekend in the weekend. So we talk about something we'll do it in the future, not in the present. If you remember, for that I try to revise with you here this question. Qu'est-ce que tu fais au temps libre? Qu'est-ce que tu fais au temps libre? What you do in the free time. Here we talk about something I do it usually in the present. So if you remember, we talked about je joue, I play, je lis, I read, je regarde la télé, je dors, je fais du sport. All that I talk about something I do it in the present. Here I do it usually in the present. But the difference, if I will change the question in the future, we'll use something else. Here I told you we can't use je joue, jouer directly. We can't say je lire directly. We can't say je regarder. We can't say je dormir. We can't say je faire, because here I must use a verb after the subject. After the subject, I must use the verb in conjugated, not in the infinitive form. But I told you we have cases we can use the verb in infinitive form. We talked about inshallah today one of this case, but we talk about the future. One of the cases, if you remember, être en train de. Être en train de is meaning I busy to do something. I say être en train de, je suis en train de, il est en train de. After that, I say the verb in infinitive form. Infinitive form is meaning the verb in ending by er or er or re. Like verb jouer, être en train de jouer, regarder, lire, dormir, faire du sport. Here I use the être en train de. After that, I use the verb in infinitive form. But the meaning is meaning independent of what I use. If I use verb to be in the present, I'm busy to do something. Je suis en train de jouer. Il est en train de regarder. Il est en train de lire. Il est en train de dormir. Il est en train de faire du sport. Here I use verb être. I conjugate verb être in the present. After that, en train de. After that, this verb will be in the infinitive form. But still, I talk about something I am busy to do it now. I talk about the present. But if I will use verb to go, I replace this form. I use verb to go, verb aller, verb to go in the present. After that, the verb in infinitive, the meaning will change. Before I say je suis en train de jouer, it means I'm busy to play. But if I say je vais jouer, the meaning now I will play. Verb aller, verb to go, I conjugate it in the present, like je vais, look at, je vais. After that, I use the verb, any verb in infinitive form. Here the meaning I will play, I will watch the TV, I will read, I will sleep, I will do the sport. Here I say je vais, verb to go, is vais, is verb to go in the present. After that, I use the verb in infinitive form, is meaning I will do something. For that, if I will use now this form, look at here to more understand. For example, I say je suis en train de jouer. I'm busy to play. If I will cancel suis en train de and replace it by je vais jouer, look at me, I will play. I cancelled this one I use verb to go. It means je vais jouer. It means I will go. I will play. Here, je suis en train de jouer. It means I am busy to play. Je vais jouer. I will play. The same idea here. If I say I will describe what he is doing now, I say il est en train de lire. Or il lit. He reads. Or he reads. Or il est en train de lire. He is busy to read. But if I say now, look it, il est en train de lire. But if I say il va lire, here also verb to go in the present, verb to go, verb aller in the present. After that, lire, il va lire, he will read. So here we talk about the future. Le futur proche, the future. Here, how can I use the future? Is verb to go. Verb to go, je vais, tu vas, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Verb to go. After that, I use any verb in infinitive form. The meaning of the tense now, will do something. I will do, you will do, he will do, she will do, we will do. So verb to go here, verb to go. With the verb, another verb in infinitive form is will. Je vais nager, I will swim. Je vais chanter, je vais parler, je vais manger. Tu vas also, I can use tu vas with any verb like that. Is in infinitive form, is meaning I will do, you will do, or he will, or she will, or they will, or we will do. So the verb, the tense futur proche, I use it from when I use verb to go in the present. After that, another verb will be in infinitive form. But when we use the verb in infinitive, this form, when we use the future, we use the future if I talk about something, I will do it in the future. So for that, I have mots-clés, or the keyword. I have some keywords, mots-clés, the keywords. I use it when the future. Ce soir means this evening. So this evening I will do. Ce soir, le matin, the morning, le matin. Ce soir, this evening, le matin. So in the morning I will do. Bientôt, this means soon. Bientôt, ce soir, le matin, bientôt. Demain is meaning tomorrow. Demain, tomorrow. Après-demain is meaning after tomorrow. Dans plus temps. Dans is meaning in. After that, if I have timing, it means during this time, or in this time, in 5 minutes, in 3 days. It means timing, in a timing. So it's meaning I will do something. So I talk about the future. Dans plus temps. Dans plus temps. Temps is meaning timing, in a timing. The numbers, the timing is hours or minutes or days or years. So, but these years is something else, future simple, but we use futur proche if we talk about something is, we'll do it soon. Inshallah, we'll do it tomorrow, after a few minutes, we'll do it. So I use the futur proche. So, ce soir, this evening, le matin, in the morning, bientôt is meaning soon, demain is meaning tomorrow, après-demain is after tomorrow, dans plus temps, dans in, after the timing, meaning like what, mister? I like, for example, dans 5 minutes, don't say dans 5 minutes, No, dans 5 minutes. Dans 5 minutes, it means in 5 minutes, through in 5 minutes, I will do something. So, le temps plus prochain. What temps? If I say timing, in a time plus word, prochain, prochain is mean next. Like what, mister? I say le samedi prochain. Le samedi prochain. So I will do something. The days, any days. Any day. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, n'importe. Any days. After that, I say prochain, meaning the next Friday, next Sunday, whatever, Monday, le samedi prochain, for example, la semaine means the week. So la semaine prochaine is female, so for that I say I will add letter E. La semaine prochaine, it means the next week. La semaine prochaine. So we have some, so when I use a future, when I have this keywords, how can I use it? Verb to go plus any verb in infinitive form is meaning will do something. Je vais jouer, je vais manger, je vais parler, je vais sauter, nager, any. So we talk about the future now. We have some words here, we must know it. Some verbs like je vais, look at je vais, it means I will. I can change it. Je vais or il va or tu vas, any conjugation for verb to go. After that, look at the verb will be in infinitive form. Like what? Je vais nager, I will swim. Je vais regarder, I will watch. Je vais promener le chien, I will walk the dog. Je vais précoller, I will fix. Je vais courir, I will run. Je vais lire, I will read. Je vais faire de la, de l'apostrophe. Faire, I will do. Je vais faire du bricolage. Je vais faire de la peinture. Je vais faire des courses. Look at course with this plural is meaning I will do the shopping. Course, not the course à pied. We must know the difference between course à pied and des courses. Faire des courses is meaning do a shopping. I will do a shopping. Here, je vais aller. I can say je vais and aller. I use verb to go in the present, and next one in infinitive form is meaning I will go. And I can say I will, if I say je vais aller, I will go, or je vais only. Normally, if I don't have after je vais a verb, I can use it and I go to place. So aller here is to. O or à la or au or à, chez is meaning at. After that, the place for à la bibliothèque, for example, à la bibliothèque, à la piscine, à la boulangerie, au gymnase, au cinéma, au théâtre, à l'entraînement, chez le coiffeur, à l'entraînement, training, à l'entraînement de foot, training of the football, à l'entraînement de natation, à l'entraînement de français, à l'entraînement de musique, chez le coiffeur. We take it before, but in grade 3, but I will repeat it inshallah today when we use, how can use to after verb to go. Matin is mean morning, après-midi is mean afternoon. So we start now the same question, but I will use it in the future. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Look at now the verb. Before I say qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais au temps libre? You say je joue, je lis, je regarde la télé. But here I say qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Verb to go. After that verb faire in the infinitive form, it means what you will do ce weekend. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce weekend? Ce weekend, here before I say je joue, or il est en train de jouer, or je joue. No, here I say je vais jouer, je vais jouer. Here je lis before, but here je vais lire. Look at the verb in infinitive form. I can use it now, yes, in the same sentence. Yes, but I use before it, I use verb to go. Je vais jouer, I will play. Je vais lire, I will read. Here, before I say je lis, no, here I say je regarde la télé. Now I say je vais regarder la télé. Before I say je dors, I sleep. Now, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? Je vais dormir, I will sleep. Je vais jouer au foot or je vais faire du sport, I will do sport. The question is qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? What you will do this weekend? Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? Ce week-end, je vais jouer. Je vais lire. Je vais regarder la télé. Je vais dormir. Je vais faire du sport. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? What you will do. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? For example, also, je vais courir. I will run. Je vais faire de la course à pied. Je vais faire de la course à pied. Je vais courir. Or je vais faire de la course à pied. But look at now, course à pied is not like des courses. Je vais faire des courses, it's plural, it means I will do the shopping. So attention between faire de la course à pied and faire des courses. Faire de la course à pied and faire des courses. Faire des courses, it means I will do the shopping. So what also, we have many activities you can do it. We talk about it today, inshallah, and new verbs. Je vais nager. Je vais nager. Before I say je fais de la natation, or je vais faire de la natation, je fais de la natation, or je vais faire de la natation. The verb for natation is noun. Je vais nager. Nager, the verb. Nager, will swim. Nager, to swim. Je vais nager, I will swim. Je vais précoller. Précoller or réparer. We take it réparer. Elle est en train de réparer. Is busy to do, to fix something. So, réparer, to fix, and précoller also is mean fix. Je vais précoller. Je vais réparer. Je vais aller. Je vais aller. If I use je vais aller, look at we have something small difference here. Je vais aller means I will go where. I must say the place. Je vais aller means I will go. Je vais aller. Here the first one I use the verb to go, verb aller in the present, but after that I use the same verb but in infinitive form. Here is the meaning will. The second one is meaning go. So I will go, after that the place. I will go, after that I must do to. To, all that is meaning to. O or on or o or à la apostrophe or a or she, all that is meaning to or at. But when I use this and this and this and this, we take it in grade 3, but I can revise it now with you. So, je vais aller. I think before I say I will do something. Here I will go. I will go where exactly? If I ask you, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce weekend? What you will do in this weekend? You can say now, I will go after that place. To say I will go, we have preposition. We must use it before the place. Verb to go, I use with it. I have a with the any city. Je vais aller à Jeddah. Je vais aller à Dammam. Ala for feminin. Is the place is feminine. I use ala. O with masculine, but with masculine in any masculine P for countries, PE masculine, or lieu in general. In general, also, I can say O also, like au cinéma. So, masculin, PI masculin, O with X, masculin pluriel is ended by S or X, or en for PI féminin. So, more details for examples. So, here, A for the city. Ala for place féminin. O with place for countries but is masculine, or any place is masculine. O with X with place pluriel. I will give you some examples now. On with the PE féminin, but ala for place féminin. Like what, mister? For example, je vais, I say je vais aller à Dammam. Je vais à Dammam is means the present, but if I say je vais aller à Dammam, it means I will go to Dammam. Or je vais à Dammam. Look at here is a before any city. À la for lieu féminin, place féminin, not country. Like what? Je vais à la médiathèque or à la bibliothèque. So à la for place féminin. So a for city, but any city. À Paris, à Riyadh. Like before, I take it before j'habite à Riyadh. So it's a before the city. À la for lieu, place féminin, like à la médiathèque or bibliothèque. O for place masculin, any place, country or not country. O but à la only for the place is not country, because the countries feminine take something else. For O for lieu masculin, je vais au cinéma, je vais au club. Any place masculin take O. Even is country, like look at here is O with pays masculin. Pays is mean country, like je vais au Portugal, je vais au Sénégal. O for any place pluriel is ended by S or X, like aux États-Unis, je vais aux États-Unis, je vais aux États-Unis. En for pays féminin, for the place féminin I say à la. But if it's country, I say en. Like je vais en France, je vais en Égypte, or je vais aller en Égypte. I will go to Egypt. Je vais aller en Égypte. En vacances, in vacation. Je vais aller en Égypte. Chez with the persons. Chez, if I talk about, I go to my for example, I go to my colleague or to the doctor or any person or name. Go to Ali, go to Ali, or go to Abdurrahman, any persons. So I must say she before his name or this person. Je vais chez Bol. Je vais chez Mohammed. Je vais chez le docteur. Je vais chez le coiffeur. So before the persons, I must say she, not like all the other places. Okay, so is a for the city. Ala for the place is feminine, not country. If it's country, I use en. O with any place, country or not country. O for place masculin is male, not female. O with X for pays for the country or any place is ended by S or X. Like aux États-Unis, we take it in grade 3. En for pays féminin, like en France or en Egypt. Chez with the persons. So if I talk about now, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce week-end? Again, you can say je vais aller, I will go for example. Je vais aller after that lieu, like what? Je vais aller au cinéma. I will go to the cinema. Au cinéma. Au club. Au théâtre. Look, théâtre is ending by E, but exception, we take it in the first quarter. Last quarter, we take it. Théâtre is masculin. Marcher. Marcher. Any word ending by E accent aigu, is here I say is masculin. Marcher. Cinéma. Club. Au club, au théâtre, au marché. Marché, it meaning, like I say in Arabic, souk, or bien to make a shopping. À la bibliothèque. À la bibliothèque. Look, it's féminin. À la bibliothèque. Je vais aller à la bibliothèque. À la piscine. Je vais aller à la mer. I will go to the sea. Je vais aller à l'école. Et l'apostrophe. À l'école. Je vais aller à l'entraînement. Je vais aller à l'entraînement. I will go to the training. Je vais aller chez. Je vais aller chez. After that, le coiffeur. I will go to the coiffeur to cut my hair, for example. So, je vais aller after that, the place. But before the place, I must use o or à la or à l'apostrophe or chez with the persons. If it's city, je vais aller à Paris, for example. Je vais aller au Canada is country, masculin. Aux États-Unis is country ending by S, is plural. En France, en Égypte. Je vais aller en France. Je vais aller en Égypte. So, we have also must revise also the days of the week because we talk about something. I will do it in the future. Maybe I will use lundi or mardi or mercredi prochain. Meaning I will do something in lundi prochain. Lundi prochain it means the next Monday I will do something. Mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. If I will use it with after it prochain is meaning next this day. But if I use le lundi, it means for example Monday I do something through the present. But if I say le lundi prochain, it means next Monday I will do something, for example. So for that we have a small training here. We can listen together. We try to do it. Yes, we'll try to know who we talk about which persons. We have Alice, Leo, Madame Legrand, et Monsieur Legrand. We will listen now and we check. We talk about which one at the beginning. You can write one or check with a color, a small box together. Which one we talk about which person exactly and what he will do inshallah in vacation or in the weekend. They can listen together.
Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end?
Activité 1. Qui est-ce? Alice, Léo, Madame Legrand ou Monsieur Legrand? Écoute et trouve la bonne personne. 1. Samedi matin, il va aller courir dans le parc. Et samedi après-midi, il va aller faire les courses au supermarché avec Madame Legrand.
So,
2. Dimanche matin, elle va aller chez Marie. Et dimanche après-midi, elle va aller au cinéma.
So, so this one. 2.
3. Samedi matin, il va aller à son entraînement de foot. Et dimanche après-midi, il va faire un match de foot.
So, 3, Léo.
4. Samedi matin, elle va aller à son cours de chant.
Chant.
Et dimanche après-midi, elle va aller à son cours de théâtre. 5. Dimanche matin, il va bricoler dans le jardin. Et dimanche après-midi, il va emmener Léo à son match de foot. 6. Elle adore la natation. Dimanche matin, elle va aller à la piscine.
Donc c'est Madame Legrand. So we can read it together again. So we talk about the person, what he will do le samedi matin, le samedi après-midi, samedi matin, morning, samedi après-midi is after noon, or dimanche, another day, what they will do exactly. We can read together now. Qui est Alice, Léo, Madame Legrand, Monsieur Legrand. Which one?
Leçon 4.
You can listen again.
Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end?
Activité 1. Qui est-ce? Alice, Léo, Madame Legrand ou Monsieur Legrand? Écoute et trouve la bonne personne. 1. Samedi matin, il va aller courir dans le parc.
Oui, samedi matin, elle va courir dans le parc et samedi après-midi, elle va faire des courses au supermarché avec Madame Legrand. So, c'est Monsieur Legrand. After that, dimanche matin, elle va aller chez Marie. Look at here now, aller chez Marie. With a person, I say she. Chez Marie. Et dimanche après-midi, elle va aller au cinéma. So it's Alice. After that, samedi matin, elle va aller à son entraînement de foot. Samedi matin, elle va aller, he will go, à son entraînement, will go to his training of the foot. Et dimanche après-midi, elle va faire un match de foot. So, Léo. Samedi matin, elle va, look at this, il and elle. So, samedi matin, elle va aller à son cours de chant. Et dimanche après-midi, elle va aller à son cours de théâtre. So, is Madame Legrand. We try to make training now of how can you use the verb to go and another verb in infinitive form to talk about something I will do in the future. So, again.
Leçon 4. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end?
So here, 5. Dimanche matin, il va bricoler dans le jardin. Et dimanche après-midi, il va emmener Léo à son match de foot. So, Monsieur Legrand. After that, elle adore la natation. She loves so much the swimming. Dimanche matin, elle va aller à la piscine. Elle va aller à la piscine, c'est Madame Legrand. So, if I ask you now to summarize what we need here to know it for this lesson. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end? If I ask you, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire or qu'est-ce que vous allez faire ce week-end? What you will do in this weekend? So we can say, je vais nager. For example, give you some examples. You can talk about as you like. Je vais nager, I will swim. Je vais aller à mon entraînement de foot. I will go to training of the football. I can say je vais à mon entraînement de foot or it's better to say je vais aller à mon entraînement de foot. Je vais lire, I will read. Je vais regarder la télévision, I will watch the TV. Here what I will do in the weekend. So, ce week-end, for example, dictation, ce week-end, je vais jouer au football. I will play a football. Je vais lire, I will read. Et je vais regarder la TV. I will watch the TV. That's all what we have to in this week. How can you use verb to go with another verb, but the meaning is meaning will do something. Merci à vous et à la prochaine, Inch'Allah. Merci.